like I call them, the police lights on them. Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these AirPods clones. I bought these from Amazon for around £9, so under £10 anyway. These ones here are called the i12 TWS obviously. So we can see here it says TWS True Wireless Stereo i12. The box has a few bits of information on the side: auto power on, auto pairing, touch using Siri, open the lip and connect automatically. I'm assuming the lip obviously means the lid. And on the back we just have an image of the AirPods with a lightning connector. So use my handy knife here. Try not to damage the table in this process. Right, so we got the plastic off. See the AirPods here themselves. We've got a small lightning to USB cable. It's quite short. And we also have the manual for the headphones. Let's get that stuff out of the way. So this is the case itself. Peel off this. One thing about these headphones, these clones, is all the light works they have on them. You can see bleeding through the case. Got a blue light shining through the bottom, got a red one there, and there we go, we have the AirPods inside. And again, we've got, like I call them, the police lights on them. If we just do a quick comparison between genuine, these are second generation AirPods, just have a look at the differences. So if you look at this comparison between the original AirPods and the clones, you can see that the original AirPods are smaller, they're a different shade of white. Same on the side there, the lightning connector at the bottom. If we just quickly look at the AirPods themselves, right, so I can see these ones, the clones, are marginally larger than the original AirPods. We can see sensor wise they're quite different. The microphone on the clones is down here. The vent doesn't have the mesh on it, it's missing that sensor from there, and it's missing that sensor from the inside bit as well. Just put them back into the case. Weight wise, the original AirPods definitely have a bit more heft to them compared to these. These are really light. I mean, you can hear there's some the click is of the lid is nowhere satisfying as original AirPods. So that's just a quick unboxing. I'll be reviewing these at some point, and obviously we'll go through all the features, sound quality, mic quality, all the rest of it, give you some sort of idea of what they actually like compared to the originals. I mean, for £10, well, just under £10, can't really expect much in that way, considering original AirPods are going to be at least over £100. Maybe you might be able to get them cheaper, but there is a considerable price difference between the two. But we'll have a look at that and see what they're like at some point. Thanks for watching.